Coming up, the Robelle 3321-4 Platinum Winter Pool Cover. Stay tuned. Summer's come to an end, and sadly, it's time to close our pool. This is the first year we've chosen to install a pool cover. We've went with the Robelle because of the good reviews we found on Amazon. The 3321-4 is the middle of the road model. It features a 12x12 scrim. When looking for a pool cover, the scrim numbers are really what is important. Think of scrim as a threaded count. The higher the number, the thicker the material, the better the quality, and the longer it will last. This cover is 12x12, but the 14x14 scrims are noticeably thicker and made of heavier material and will last longer. I was somewhat surprised how light this cover weighed, but when we ended up installing it, installed really well and seemed to be pretty capable. The other important item I want to talk about is warranty for pool covers. Now, you may see extended warranties for many years, but these warranties are limited plus prorated, thus meaning after a couple of years you're going to see a drop in the replacement value. Also, the shipping charges are a responsibility of the owner, so there comes a point in the warranty where after a couple of years it's really not worth sending this back because of the residual value of the cover plus the cost of the shipping charges. Now, this looks like a pretty nice cover. Let's see how it goes on. Now, I want to thank my wife for stepping up and helping take charge of installing the pool cover. She's really good at reading directions, and she really keeps me on task. The next step in the process is rolling out the cover. It is helpful having a couple extra hands to help. I also added the final chlorine to the pool before we put the cover on. Just a word of advice, it's pretty easy to get this cord all tangled up, so when you take it out of the package, just be extra careful. Threading the cord through the pool cover is the next step. It's pretty easy to do. Thread through the top and come out the bottom. The hardest part of the job was getting the cover in between the deck and the pool. As with most above ground pools, there's some flex in the walls. We were able to push forward on the top of the walls, making some room to put the cover through near the deck. I had previously read some reviews where people didn't like the winch that came with the pool cover, but we didn't have any issues with it. It seemed to work pretty well. Alright guys, going to finish up the video. This has been a good DIY project working with this Robelle pool cover. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and have a fantastic day.